Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you're here. Please do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell right beside it so that you will get notified whenever I drop another amazing video on YouTube. Okay? So guys, in today's video, me and you, we are going to be reviewing a product together because I want you to respond to me immediately in the comment section. I want to know if you have actually used this lotion I'm about to review. If you have heard about it, let me know in the comment section. Let's interact, let's talk, let's have a conversation in the comment section because I would like to know. The product I'm going to be reviewing today is for dark skin girl. Okay, so light skin girl, you are not invited here. So all dark skin girl, get in here. I have a product for you. This product is amazing. Like it is. This product is called Bronzetone. Bronzetone. It's actually for a dark skin girl, and this cream is very, very good. It will help to tone up your skin, and it will give you this brown shade, like a bronze, bronze shade. You are going to really like your skin if you are actually willing to use this cream. It will like lighten up your skin in it will lighten up your skin in a very subtle tone, not this whitening or this a lightening process that is so glaring that people will see that, wow, this girl is actually bleaching. No, this cream will actually give you a subtle, very subtle brightening, and you're going to be loving your skin. This cream is formulated with cocoa butter, vitamin C, which is very, very essential, important for the skin. Okay, cocoa butter, as you all know, it moisturizes the skin, it treats skin. I can't begin to state the amazing benefit of cocoa butter. It is super amazing in a skincare lotion, like skincare cream, skincare lotion is very, very good because cocoa butter on its own, if you use it on its own, you are going to see how your skin is going to glow. It's going to moisturize your skin. If you have any skin irritation, it's going to treat your skin in such a way that you're going to be loving and like your skin. It contains vitamin C, it contains sunscreen, which means you don't have to worry while walking under the sun. How amazing is that, guys? Instead of you going out to buy a sunscreen, this is a good combo, guys. Let's just say the facts. It's a good combo. Okay, it contains honey extract. Oh my god, you all know honey. I can't begin to say the benefits because I don't want this video to be too long. It contains UV protection, and that is sunscreen. It contains water, mineral oil, citric acid, and glycerin. Guys, this combo is very, very good. They are not harsh chemicals. Number one fact. Pick that, note that, jot that. It does not contain harsh chemicals that your skin is going to be reacting to as a dark skin girl, or giving you all this coke. You have a brighter face, you have a dark legs, and also give you dark knuckles. You're not going to go through all that process. This cream is going to give you a rime skin color, a subtle brightening. As I've said earlier, it's not going to be a sharp lightening like that. Okay, this cream is a perfect cream for a dark skinned girl that wants to tone up just a little bit, like a 2%. Like, it will not whiten your skin. For all those dark skinned girls that has been disturbing me in the comment section, review a product for us within budget, and voila, this cream is within budget. You're going to be liking it. You're going to like your skin because it will give your skin this babish, this brown, this bronze tone that you're going to be liking. It will moisturize your skin. It will, remove undesired dark spots on your skin. Like, it will fade it gradually. Not that you just use it today and tomorrow it will fade up. No, gradual. It's a gradual process cream. It will help your skin to glow and look soft, radiant, and baby like, guys. And this is simply amazing, guys. And this is, yeah, I know this is what you're craving for, for your skin to look like a baby, so that people will be asking you, girl, babe, what cream are you using? And you'll be like, well, Bronzetone. Okay, if you feel like it, oh, it is not compulsory, but I'm just telling you what I feel, my own honest opinion about this cream. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be telling you about this cream is that this cream absorbs easily on your skin. There's some cream you have to rub and rub and rub and rub before it gets into your skin, before it can, before your skin can absorb it. But this one goes well into the skin. For you to like experience the amazing, amazing results of this cream, you have to get the complete set of it. The soap, its serum, and this cream. And trust me, your skin is going to come out very, very good as a dark skin girl, not a light skin girl, dark skin girl. You're going to be liking your skin. So moving on, let me tell you how you're going to mix it. If you're getting the serum, yeah, just get a bottle of the Bronzetone lotion and a bottle of the Bronzetone lotion, the Bronzetone serum. Mix it together. Trust me, the result of it will be very, very amazing. In no time, you're going to come back to my comment section. In fact, I want to know if you have used this cream or heard about this cream before. Let me know in the comment section. Let's talk. Yeah, let's have a good time chatting together about this cream. I really want to hear from you. Okay, and use this cream religiously. Dark skin girl, you're going to thank me later, because this cream is within budget. It is not expensive, it is not pricey, and you are going to enjoy it. So that is it for Bronzetone lotion. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any cream you really want me to review for you, anything at all, ear cream, whatever, this girl is open, to collaboration, to product review, whatever. Bring it to the table. I'm going to review it for you. Well, nice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video,